Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, this is the video research of the Forex markets from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Today we will continue to talk about the euro currency. Well, on the daily time frame, nothing really happens new, so the market price action is a bit soft and lazy. So yes, this market has shown some attempt to close this gap, to fill that gap, but couldn't reach the lower border of this gap just for 2 pips. So probably market could continue to do that again, but in general on the daily time frame situation is very calm. So current research will be a bit boring, since there is really nothing much to say just on the eve of the FOMC statement. I think that the major move we could see on the market just in the moment of the statement and right after it. So what we could see on the daily time frame, if market will show the deeper retracement, this could be due to some reversal pattern as we discussed yesterday. So this could be maybe this ABCD pattern, ABC bottom. In this case, the 100% extension of that pattern stands around 140. It could be that target. Also, market could show some deeper retracement to the 618 resistance. I suppose that market will do that if we will see some reversal patterns right here. This could be the 3-drive sell. Maybe this could be the butterfly buy. Sorry, 3-drive buy, of course. Butterfly buy or something. Well, if this will happen and market will respect that strong area of support that stands right below that lows, then I suppose that we could count on some retracement to the 618 resistance of the whole swing to the downside. But currently it's almost impossible to predict how it will turn, since in this case we have to make some prediction about the nature of the FOMC statement and how it will touch the currency markets. Well, it's very difficult to do. And personally, I suppose that during today's trading session I will be flat. Because market doesn't show really significant move, and the minimum target stands too close to the current markets, the filling of the gap. Although market could continue a bit further, but I do not see now any clearer patterns in market. All market stands in the awaiting of the FOMC statement. On the 4-hour time frame, we see that trend has turned bullish. Here you can see, by the way, that just 2 pips are sufficient to close that gap. Yesterday we talked about this ABCD pattern. We said that if market will reach the 100% extension target of that ABCD pattern, then probably it could show some spike to close the gap. So that has happened, but this spike was not sufficient to do that. For the 2 pips also, we consider the market hasn't touched the weekly pivot point yet. Now market shows some retracement and continue move to the upside. Who knows? Personally, I can exclude that market could continue a bit further, will touch the weekly pivot point and stand somewhere around that area for today's trading session. But current market is around 137. The lower border of this gap is 137.40 in terms of the futures contract. So that's too close to make some action and to enter on the market, especially on the eve and just before the FOMC decision. On the hourly time frame, we also see that market is flirting with the trend, but trend now holds bullish. I'll talk personally about that pattern. That is our yesterday's pattern: A, B, C bottom. Market hit 618, retracement 100%. Just 2 pips was not sufficient to close the gap, and retracement. Today we could count and discuss that pattern: A, B, C bottom. 618 target stands 137.29. Both targets from that pattern and from that pattern, 100% 137.86, from that pattern 1618 138.02, stands very close to the 618 resistance, to that level. Okay, just above the gap. So probably market could reach it, who knows. But taking into account that price action that you can see on the 4-hour time frame and that price action on the hourly time frame, personally I do not see nothing interesting It's very choppy, sloppy price action. Well, it's very difficult to try to make some trades based on that behavior. Well, the safe target is the target of the lower border of this gap, because who knows, both of the targets stands above the weekly pivot point, so it's much less probability that market could break that area before the FOMC announcement and continue move to the 618 resistance. We can't exclude that, but the odds are much lower than the market just hit the weekly pivot point and will flirting somewhere around that area. So we can see that this range and this target move is too small to make some action for that, and so you will have to risk much for the very shallow potential profit in that area. So probably today is better stay flat and wait for FOMC decision, because I suppose that if market will show some really nice signal, you will have a lot of time to jump in and to make decision, enter the market based on the clear and significant pattern. Then and it will be much better than just trying to jump in currently with unknown and very choppy behavior, nervous expectation of the FOMC announcement. So this choice is up to you, but personally I think that I will be flat today, and just will look at the market when FOMC meeting will end to make the judgment and decision about what to do next.